Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are taking a look here at the all-new 2025 Cardinal 23RK fifth wheel. This thing comes in just a little over 29 feet long and just a hair over 7,500 pounds dry. This is a one slide out rear kitchen couple coach. We're gonna take a few minutes here, run you through the inside and outside of the RV and show you what this thing's all about. We'll even show you what it looks like closed at the end. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now up inside the all-new 2025 Cardinal 23RK fifth wheel. This is a rear kitchen, one slide out couples coach, as you've seen on that floor plan that was up a few seconds ago. Very nice little setup here for a smaller fifth wheel. All right, let's get started back here in the back and then we'll kind of work our way forward for you. So first things up, like we said, rear kitchen model. So over here on the right, you're gonna have the larger Greystone oven with the glass front, the light built in. There's a few drawers around that oven as well, along with some storage underneath of that sink area. You have a 3-burner gas cooktop with the flip up and down glass lid and the little light up knobs also. You have that large Furrion microwave, which also acts as your hood range, venting out your smoke and excess heat and stuff there. You're gonna have quite a bit of cabinet space across that back section right there. You're gonna have some more cabinet space over here on the left. Some more drawers and counter space area down below here as well. There's 2 windows right there that do not actually open. However, it does give you a nice view of the back and side of your campsite area right here. Over here on the side, you are going to have your typical 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt powered refrigerator. And you're going to have a little pantry area and space down below there as well. The 2 other windows over here on this side, those actually open. They have pull down roller shades on them as well. And you have a tri-fold sofa right here that will actually flip out and make into a bed for the extra guests that you might have. And you also have a matching lino floor on that slide as well. There is an electric outlet and some USB charger ports over there on the little end table. Now right here, you kind of have a little bit of a high top kind of bar setting going on for your dinette table. So you got 4 chairs. The dinette table is actually attached to the wall area right there. And a nice large window overlooking the awning or campsite area of the RV. And that window also opens as well. Now kind of looking up at our ceiling area here, we have a ducted AC by Furrion. You're going to have the electric fireplace, which is a 30-inch Furrion electric fireplace here. Has an electric box with some breakers and fuses over there and some storage. This one was also ordered with the 40-inch Connexus TV. And you have some overhead cabinet storage and shelf space beside it. They kind of did that little floating step look right there, so you could maybe kick your shoes off underneath of there, get them out of the way. Traditional RV entry door and screen door. Nice metal grab handle here to get you up and down the steps. You got your air conditioner and your main propane furnace control right here. Slide button, awning light switch, 12 volt tank heaters for cold weather camping, water heater override switch here, and you have a few light switches, monitor panels for your holding tanks and your battery. And you're going to have your on-demand water heater control right here. Little advertisement right there talking about the 2-inch thick aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall. There is also a little motion light right down here. right here on our left, we are going to have our bathroom area. So there is an AC duct in here. That's very important. Skylight up above, a vent fan up here. You got a couple little hooks over here, foot flush toilet, step-in shower with the pull-across vinyl door there, ABS tub surround. Got a little bit of storage here for kind of like a little medicine cabinet area, I guess you would use it for. And then you're going to have some storage below the sink area for some towels and linens and stuff. And a little mirror area that's kind of backlit as well. Going on forward a little more, we're stepping into our bedroom. And up here, this one was ordered with a second AC, so you got another AC right there, dumping air straight into here. You have a little shelf space with some USB charger ports and electric outlets back there, hanging closet area, and you also have little overhead cabinet space and stuff as well. Let's see, the bed here will raise up, so it's on a shock assist. Got some more storage underneath of there. A little bit of carpet up here in this area around the bed. Being a lower profile fifth wheel, that's pretty typical. Easier way for them to kind of set everything up here. Now up here we're going to have washer dryer hookups if you wanted to do that right here, or you have another shelf and hanging area as well. But you have the water lines, the drain lines, and the electric outlets all right here to do that if you want to. Now kind of looking down below here, you got heat duct, electric outlet, a motion light right there. Thermostat for this second AC also located right there. And then you have your TV antenna booster button, electric outlet and stuff here, where you could actually mount your TV right here. Both windows up here in the bedroom do actually open. But overall, for a smaller, lightweight style fifth wheel here, that is very nice. Little advertisement right here also says it has a PVC roof membrane with a limited lifetime warranty. All right, now we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside of the RV real quick, and then we're going to come back in here and show you what it looks like all closed up. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the all-new 2025 Cardinal 23RK fifth wheel here. We're going to start here on the door side of the RV and kind of work our way around for you. So first things up, they have a whole new look for the exterior. So they went to a different graphics package, a lower kind of silverish metal skirting. You have a white fiberglass exterior, aluminum studded foam block insulated sidewall. You're going to have deep tint safety glass windows. You also have a nice power awning with the LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV. And they also give you a traditional amber porch light up top there above the door as well. So it's kind of nice to see they did both. Now, they also have the nice rollover transition up here instead of the real sharp 90 cutoff that a lot of lower priced fifth wheels have. So I do like the fact that they kept that in this price point. The unit has a 4-point electric auto level jack system. So you have your two traditional front jacks with the quick pull pins, and you're going to have two more behind the axles back here. You're going to have storage compartment area right here. Has the charge controller for the solar panel that's on the roof of this one, electric outlet and cable outlet. There's motion light. You can see some of that aluminum studding up in there as well. Two 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator. You'll see a couple advertisements right here about the underbelly armor, enclosed underbelly basically. And you also have the extended season camping package, and again touting that vacuum bonded sidewall. You have the heavy duty entry exit steps here. You have a dual axle unit, aluminum wheels, drum brakes, easy lube hubs. Again, you can see down here the back auto level jack system. Right there is also what looks like a little bottle opener as well. There's a little bit of storage right here. This is basically under the kitchen area. There's an electric outlet in there as well. On the back of the RV, it is a traditional flat back fiberglass rear end. There is prepping in the top center up there for the Furrion rear observation camera. That is a very nice camera system that would allow you to see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road and also backing into your campsite. There is prepping in the top right corner there for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. Nice telescoping ladder you might consider getting. It basically telescopes up, hooks on, lets you get up and down on and off your roof to check out your seams and seals and inspect things. And then you just drop it down, throw it in a compartment, forget about it. You don't have to worry about somebody's kids or something climbing up, falling off and getting hurt when the ladder's stowed away. So down here you have a 2-inch towing style hitch receiver. There's a 4-way flat right here, safety chain hooks as well. This is rated for a 300-pound tongue weight and a 3,000-pound tow capacity. Very important, do not exceed those numbers. You have a stove exhaust vent up there as well. You're gonna have detachable power cord right here. This cord probably looks like, I'd say it's maybe 25 feet long roughly, somewhere in that range. There is a slide out, which you obviously seen when we were inside. We're gonna close this up for you when we get finished with the outside here. But another thing you might consider doing is adding a slide out awning cover to the RV as well. That is an awning that rolls in and out with the slide, helps shade the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. If something like that interests you, talk with your salesperson about that as well. You have your furnace exhaust out right here. You also have your Suburban on-demand water heater right here. A dump area right here with the gate valves just up in behind that little black round thing there. Just unscrew the cap and allow you to reach in there and get your gate valves. There's a freshwater tank and low point water drains also right here. The other side of the storage compartment here, another light in there as well. And then you have a little docking station area right here. So we have our freshwater inlet, city water inlet, black tank flush, cable and satellite inlets both right here. You have a hot and cold outside utility shower. You got a couple light switches in here, motion light, battery disconnect as well. There's room for a battery to go here also. And you have your auto level jack controls here when you do that feature. Some instructions on how to use it. Now right here, some very important informational stuff. Just kind of go over this real quick with you. Production date sticker right here. For example, this RV was built 7/22 of 24, 23RK model number, has a gross vehicle weight of 9,275 pounds. That's axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. You have your dry weight right here of 7,520 pounds when it rolled off the assembly line with these options. Exterior length, 29 feet 4 inches. Tire size, ST 225 75R 15 E-range tire with an 80 PSI cold. Now it is very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. It does have a very nice fiberglass front shell here with a couple LED light strips coming down. And then they also have a LED light that I forgot to turn on, but it has an LED light right under here that will kind of shine down into your truck bed and stuff in case you're trying to hook up at night here. Now in this area here, you have some more storage, but you also have your spare tire up here out of the way. But overall, for a smaller, lightweight style, couple style fifth wheel here that's actually affordable, this thing has a lot of stuff crammed into it. All right, we're gonna step back inside. I wanna show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now back up inside the all-new 2025 Cardinal 23RK fifth wheel here. And I just wanted to show you real quick what it looks like closed. Now this is a 12-volt powered rack and pinion slide. It is very important to make sure your floor is clean and your drawers and stuff are all latched in place properly so you don't accidentally damage something. When you are ready to close things up, you come right here to your slide button, and we're going to hit the button here and bring it in. So this being a flush floor style slide, it kind of comes up at an angle a little bit, and it'll kind of settle back down once it gets in further. But it has to come up and over your main floor so that it doesn't damage anything. And that's why it's very important to make sure your floor is clean, because if you accidentally have some rock or something laying there that you didn't see, you could easily rip your floor. Hear that clicky noise? It's telling me it's all the way in. Let off the button. So now, with it all closed up, so if I'm traveling, I could still come in here and get to a lot of my cabinetry back here. I could load some groceries and stuff into my refrigerator. If I'm stopping at that rest area or something, I could, come in here, grab a drink if I needed to. I could come in, use the restroom. I could come in, take a nap at the rest area if I needed to. So I don't necessarily have to have the RV open in order to use the most important parts of it. Now obviously, it's always nice to have the extra room. So all you got to do again, hit that button and take it right on back out. Now as always guys, if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button, help out my channel, and be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They're one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They were the #1 selling travel trailer and fifth wheel dealer for 2023. They will definitely be glad to help you and hopefully save you a lot of money. Thanks again.